Hey, welcome to Shane's Main Shop. This is a future project on my truck here. The rocker panel is shot. I cut out all the rust, basically removed everything. Well, I got a little bit more to remove, but I just did a preliminary cutout. I got to do some more work back here to cut out a bunch of stuff. You can see the rocker panel is gone, as well as the lower portion of my corner here, cab corner. So that will be upcoming video, but the parts came in. Let's go take a look at them. Alright, so in this box here, a lot of paper and two corners. There's one and here's the other. So we get those pieces, and then in this box is the rocker panel. Let me just get it opened up and then I'll show you. Alright, here's the two rocker panels. So yeah, I got one for both sides. Even though the passenger side is not nearly as in bad a shape, and I may not do that repair right away, as you saw, the driver's side is shot. Let me just pull this out and hold it up against to see how it's going to look like. So obviously, I still have some disassemble work to do up top here, but I'm done. This will go right in here, and then we will obviously cut it down the size to match up with the corner where we want it, and this will be all up in position. Then we'll have our rocker panel back together. But we definitely got some work to do, but at least they're here, and watch for this video up and coming sometime in the future on a YouTube channel near you. That's right, Shane's Main Shop. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next video.